Hi, welcome to winemastery.co.uk. We are going to be tasting a Campo Viejo. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it.
I'd be starting, it's a big guess, John. Viejo? Viejo.
Please, drop us a line saying how you think it should be expressed. And it's the Winemakers blend. So as we said, this is a Campo Viejo. It's a winemaker's blend. It's made from Tempranillo, Grenache, and a grape called Bobal.
Bobal.
Bobal. B-O-B-O-L.
Yeah, it's one of those grapes, one of those ones that you very rarely hear about. I mean, I've never heard of the Bobal grape, but we've said before there's literally thousands, and generally they do use them in blends, which is what we have here. You never hear from them.
So on the colour.
Now.
I know what you're going to say.
You can see it, can't you?
I can see it.
It's there, that purple, beautiful garnety purple colour. Yes.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely. Yeah. It's a nice colour, and it's not too sort of dense, is it? You can see through. It's nice and light, and yeah, it looks
very pleasing. Very pleasing to the eye.
Very pleasing.
So that's what we go on the nose.
That's what we go on the nose. I'm getting oak.
Yeah.
Now, in the blur for this wine, it said that the oak has been integrated. So I assume that means chippings rather than actually in oak barrels, because otherwise they'd say it's in...
Been in oak for so long, wouldn't it? Yeah.
So I'm guessing that's what they mean.
I think we'll have to look into that, John. To see
what integrated means.
Oh, yes. Well, we're learning something every time, aren't we?
Absolutely. With you.
It's not overly complex. There's not a lot in there, but it comes out nice. It's very friendly.
Yeah. It's just very nice. It's just a very nice smell, isn't it? It's just
I think you're right describing it as it's very nice. So that's how we're going on the very nice.
I'm pleasantly surprised by that. Cherry is it's not sweet in a cloy way, but there's a nice sort of sweetness to it, but it's light at the same time. And actually, this bottle costs £8. For an £8 bottle, the length is quite reasonable.
No, John, that's right up my street, is that one?
Is it?
Right up my street. I like you said, there's the cherry in there, which is nice, and then you've got a spot on with that sweetness as well. I think it's got a little bit of strawberry on the end, which gives you that sweetness. Because
you said that, yeah.
And also, because the tannins are not in your face with that, I think that also lends it that little bit more of what we...
Do you know what? Until you said that, I'd not even thought of the tannins, and you're right.
Exactly.
When you have to think about them to recognise them, they're not obvious at all.
No. Yeah, but like you said, the good length on there develops nicely. Like tannins is tickling, but like you've just said, they're not in your face. They're not saying "here we are" kind of thing. So that leaves the fruit do more talking in there, and it's not. I think we just said it. It's not overly complicated. You've got black cherry. I'm getting black cherry and strawberry.
I'm getting more red cherry with the sweetness, I think. But anyway.
All right, but no, fair dues. I'm getting black cherry, strawberry, nice on the tannins, good nose on it. £8. This is a can't go wrong kind of wine.
Yeah, absolutely. It's a social. I describe it as a social wine, isn't it? You know, it's a wine that you can enjoy while chatting to someone because you haven't got to sort of what's this. It's just a nice casual.
Yeah, you don't have to concentrate too much on what you're getting from the wine because it's just... I think simple's doing an injustice. I think what we say is that, like I said, casual, because it deserves more. And
we've always said, haven't we, that it's down to a mood thing. Different wines for different occasions, different moods. And this is very much sort of just that sort of casual, easy, relaxed, laid back. And actually, I know we're going to get on to a minute into pairings, but if you're just talking to friends, I could quite just happily just drink this on its own. It doesn't need to have any pairing with it.
No. And that would probably take a chill as well.
Yeah, it probably would. Yeah,
it's fairly cold as we're having it now. Yeah, I reckon. I think that's because of the softness of the tannins. It will take that chill.
Yes, and that is very good. That is very good indeed.
Okay.
Should we move on to pairing?
When you mentioned it, I thought, I better get on with that in my head right quick, and I immediately thought of something like this, a Comté. I personally, with this style of wine, like the kind of, we'll call them hard, nutty and sweeter cheeses, so across a fair plethora of cheese. I mean, something like Appenzeller, Comté, Beaufort, Cave Gruyere. I think they'll all be fine with that.
An Appenzella.
Appenzella, yeah, Appenzella. It's like a cross between almost a Gruyere and Gruyere and Comté's Swiss cheese, and you could get different ages of them as well. Yeah, you could be fine with the youngest one on that. I think it's worked beautifully, yeah.
So Comté is the one though that you.
Comté will be the one that first thought about. Yeah, in my head if I wanted. Yeah, Comté.
Fantastic. Well, in terms of pairing this, I don't know why. I'm struggling. You know, when you sort of something comes into your head and I think, I want to try it with that, and then I think, well, no, that won't go. But it's forcing its way through. A nice grilled burger that's like crusty on the outside and sort of red on the inside. But not too much sort of the sauce, the sauce, sort of barbecue sauce or anything like that. But with tomato lettuce. For some reason, I think that would go well. Yeah. It is actually quite versatile, because you could probably go, I don't know, maybe you disagree, you could possibly even go sort of like pork with this, if you're into red.
It's soft enough, and like you say, it would take a chill as well, so I think, you'd be absolutely fine with the pork.
Yeah.
I think I prefer the burger, though, because you made me think about that now.
And some salty chips as well with it. Yeah, I think that's sort of, yeah, absolutely. Super. Okay, well now we come to the score.
Scores.
Do you want to do the normal and turn around while you come up with yours?
Yeah, but if I was taking to think about this.
Well, I'm taking into account that it's £8.
Yep.
So do you want me to?
I've got a score.
Okay.
If you want to turn around to one more.
Okay.
So it's that and that. There we go. Because I think, what I've taken into account here is it's not an outstanding, whoa, brilliant, we must have more of it, but in every category, it's done very well. So I think it deserves to be a good.
Yeah, it's not a special wine in terms of saying, well, this is a special occasion, let's get a bottle of this out. But I think it is, and you say not having any more of it, if it was a sort of party was happening and, your friends or yourself, you would open another bottle of it. If you were having it's not something that you say, oh no, that's enough of that one. I think, it would make the evening flow. So my score, and this is very much promoted by the £8, and I think the quality for £8 is 82.
Oh, 84.
Okay.
84, not too far off there, John?
No, not too off at all. No.
I think that ticks a lot of boxes for me, does that one?
Yeah, I think we'll recommend that one for the price. So if you guys have tried it, put some comments below. If you do get to try it, then obviously the video's up for a while, so put your comments below, see what you think. Until next time, guys, we really look forward to seeing you there. Chin chin!
Chin chin!